everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to land freelance jobs using Canva templates. Freelancing can start with just Canva sales skills, and this is how you guys can do it. Create a portfolio of your Canva designs. List your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or any type of social media. Then offer template consumption, customization, social media graphics, or branding services. Deliver projects on time and request reviews to grow your reputation. Then, safety tip: do not take on projects you cannot deliver professionally. Quick fix: if clients aren't responding, improve your portfolio and showcase your best work. And that's it. Subscribe for more tutorials and money making tips.